this video. Welcome to you. So circuit airdrop, another new airdrop. Every day I'm going to find looking for new airdrop, and I bring those airdrop and I'm going to share with you through this video. Okay, so there is a lot of way people is coming in this Telegram channel. It could be Twitter, it could be YouTube. So whether you're like come from, please write down comment. Okay, here is comment box we are seeing. So anyhow, there's a lot of people in this in this channel from different country. Say your country name as well. So I don't want to waste your time. I will I will deep down into this airdrop very soon. So yeah, let's get started about this airdrop. Okay, so here is our airdrop is this on. I'm just showing you through this arrow, a red arrow, because visually you are seeing that this airdrop dedicated this video. And here is I put couple of links. So this link is getting posted. How do you get posted? I put down everything on there. So what you need to do is just click on that link. If you don't have faucet, Sopila faucet, everyone has Sopila faucet, those who do join on Europe, in the past. So anyhow, if you don't have, unfortunately, what you need to do, go through that link, and you should have at least 0.0 on Ethereum in your mainnet. Okay, therefore you will get it. So I'm showing you visually. So let's say you click on that link. That link will bring you inside of here. So here is alchemy. So from here you will get the Sopila faucet that is needed for, there is a lot of airdrop. Without this faucet you cannot do anything. Okay, so here is paste your address inside of here, and first you need to have account, do create the account, and paste your address here and send me. So keep in mind, here is one thing you need to have is 0.0 on Ethereum. It's couple like $2-3, not so much, need to have inside of your wallet, because there's like a lot of people that do, multiple way taking faucet from here. So they want to prevent their like bot spams. Therefore they did this thing. So it's totally good thing, because there is a lot of wallet they haven't any money, but they do over and over again getting faucet from here. So here, so keep in mind you should have it. If you don't have, you can message me, I will try to send you, okay, as much as I can. If I have, because I have a little bit, I haven't, inside of my mainnet a little bit money I have. So anyhow, let's say you get it, assume hypothetically you get it. So what you need to do after doing it is, if you see here couple of link, that here is breeze link I provided you. So after getting this faucet, what you need to do, click on that link, join breeze, and that link will bring you inside of here. So here is what you need to do. I already connected. Here is you are seeing the MetaMask ahead, where we'll have connect wallet. So just click on that link, click on that bottom. Okay, so green bottom right hand by connect wallet, and immediately do connect your MetaMask, recommended because most users wallet. Anyhow, so here is I connected, I did it switch in Sopila inside of my MetaMask, and now my balance is showing up here. I get it from, let's say, alchemy. So if you don't have, you can transfer it from your you can get it from your friends. Those have a lot of positive, because positive is nothing, okay, in real world, but in the testnet it is everything. Okay, so anyhow, it is without it you cannot do testnet, and if you don't do testnet you cannot get money. Okay, so here is I have a couple of Sopila inside of my Ethereum network. So what you need to do is just do breeze. Okay, it's Sopila to circuit. So you need to do breeze it. So I want to breeze little bit. because I haven't so much. So I will breeze. Okay, hull. Okay, if it is not work, because I should have gas fee. Okay, so breeze button would be pop up. This breeze button would be show up if you are able to do it. Okay, so it is not working. I don't know. uh, so let's see now. Okay, so I haven't gasped enough here. Okay, I'm trying to do it. Okay, I'm come back very soon because I haven't enough faucet, therefore I'm not able to do it now. So very soon I'm come backing. So I transferred my Sopila from my first account. So I did manage my Sopila. So you do it, okay, like me. Okay, same thing. Okay, so now I'm going to the breeze space here. So here is if I do refresh this page, now it will pop up, okay, because my balance I added on my MetaMask. Okay, everything would be show up here based on your MetaMask. So because you connect your MetaMask, and MetaMask is everything in the Web3. So here is very soon it would be okay. Here is I need to go through MetaMask because I need to permit MetaMask that I want to connect with Charcoot website. And here is I already get it. So little bit faucet I have, because while I have 0.0 on Ethereum at the time I get it, and I'm using it, you know so there's a lot of people. If you don't have, just do manage it anyway. Okay, so I'm doing now, let's say this amount of, so now it will be worked because of you have enough Sopila Ethereum inside of your wallet, inside of your MetaMask wallet, and here is it is worked because breeze button has been green. So now just click on this breeze and approve transaction in your wallet. Click on this green button as well. So check out MetaMask. If it is not do again, click in here and check your thing. Okay, over and over again check it, because frequently you need to check it, because it will be kind of like I'm showing you. Okay, it's get notified by Charcoot transaction. Okay, so here is what you need to do is same thing, confirm your transactions you want to do swap Sopela to Charcoot. Okay, so I'm doing the same. If you don't understand anything at all, please message me. Check out description box. Everything I put on there, information about us. And here is, you can speed this up because it is not your real money, it is faucet. And yeah, confirmed, it has been done. Now if I go here, so yeah, done, everything has been done. Now the next work we will do it. So our work is here done. Okay, sorry, our work done here. Okay, so here is we did finish. Now our next work is we need to see on here. So here is go another link. Okay, this link, so click on that link. That link will bring you inside of showing you. Okay, sorry, so click that. I haven't that link open up, so therefore copy this link and come into here, new, click on new tab and paste on your browser. Okay, so here is connect wallet, click on there. MetaMask is recommended all the time, one of the best wallet in the crypto space, therefore. Okay, so MetaMask has has got the you know notification. So now I need to permit it in order to connect with circuit.money. So it is connecting. You are seeing everything is simple. If you are newbie on testnet, if you are new, don't understand anything, just follow the video and write down comment what is your problem. If you don't understand what is airdrop is, testnet is, do write down comment. I will definitely will help you. Okay, so go again. Maybe certain thing is happened differently here. So yeah, it is taking. Okay, Zarkut is adding in my wallet. Okay, because Zarkut testnet token, Zarkut testnet token, never before was added in my wallet. Now it is adding and I'm switching account, and now I'm able to do everything with Zarkut testnet. Here is my Zarkut testnet. So I press and very soon it will be added into here. Okay, so my balance would be add here because I did breeze from Sopila to Zarkut. And anyhow, you don't need to worry about it, just go here and what I'm doing, just do the same. Alright, so yeah, my wallet has been connected. So click on this login. What does that mean? So yeah, MetaMask, you need to go again, enter the MetaMask, and here is a couple of permissions you need to give in order to enter the entire testnet. Okay, so click this sign button. It is signature, digital signature from you. You are one of this, anyhow. So our page is here. So let me see. Okay, so I did it to it again. If it is task problem, so yeah, it is doing problem because frequently it has been locked out from there. So now maybe it will be worked, I'm hoping. Okay, so yep, logged in. Okay, click this swap button. Okay, swap button, and here is select your token, especially USDC. What I'm showing, just do the same. Okay, so our Ethereum is not yet here. So maybe it will take a little bit time because we did on here. Oh, let me see it. I did it, so see wall transaction. First I need to connect it. Okay, MetaMask is got notify every time while you do connect drive by. Anyhow, so I did freeze it, but it didn't work. It doesn't make sense to me. So I am okay. So I'm showing. I'm back in. Very soon. After bridging your Sopila faucet into Zarkut, okay, so it will be show up like this way. Okay, so come into the third link, and here is coming to click on this swap button. Okay, so here is I want to swap in USDC, so I am going to select this USDC. Here is I want to swap little bit amount. Okay, not so much. Okay, so let's say I want to do 2. Okay, so do swap, click on here and check your MetaMask. MetaMask get notified by our attempting, and here is MetaMask is getting opening. Okay, so the necessary task is here is just get permit to your MetaMask, give them permit, and that's it. Okay, so click this confirm button for doing its swap testnet token, and that's it. Your work is doing swap here, adding liquidity, and nothing else. So yeah, it has been done. So let me see how much time it is take. Okay, so let me see it. So if it is not work, do again same way that you did in past, but it will be work. Okay, so there like very simple task, straightforward. Okay, I did it, but it doesn't make sense to me why it is not doing work. Okay, it has been work. Here is getting a failed transaction. It doesn't make sense to me. Okay, failed. Here is failed. Okay, so let's say I want to use this on USDT, and the price would be 0.0 0.005, and I'm doing swap into USDT. MetaMask get notified because I just changed my token, little bit change. Maybe it will work now. I'm hoping it, and do confirm. I click on this confirm, and it will be worked. I'm hoping it will be work. I'm in sleepy mode. Okay, internal error received. Okay, anyhow I do it, and after doing it, come into this liquidity button, little bit liquidity button. Okay, so this one, click on there and select your validator where you want to add liquidity. So let's say you didn't swap Ethereum and USDT, this one, or whatever. If you do it, you can do it. Let's say I did it. Click on here, and maybe little bit amount of USDT you have, you just assume it, and do pool 50-50. If you have 2 USDT worth of Ethereum, do select as well. Okay, I have an item. Let's say you have 2 here, and here is 1.31 worth of Ethereum, Charcoal Ethereum, I mean, value equally. And after doing that, just click on this add liquidity. It will be added, as simple as that. So this is the task that was inside of this airdrop. So see you later in the next time, in the next airdrop. If you want to get further information about big airdrop, new airdrop, check out this video's description box, where I have put my telegram channel's telegram channel's link in this telegram channels. People are from different country, those are joined in this channel, but everybody's has intention is making money. Okay, everybody's has intention is this. We are same intention way we are doing here something. So if your intention is making money, come into our telegram channel. Okay, telegram channel, everything you will found on the description box. Okay, check description box, check description. I put everything. So you will found these channels, link. So walk through that link and be part of the money making group from worldwide. Okay, from east to west. So see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.